Primark and see what they have, because I feel like I need, like, you know, simple stuff like socks and random bits. I'm gonna see what PJs they have as well, and then later I'm gonna meet with my friend. We're gonna have some dosa and just catch up, because we haven't had a catch up in a long time. I put my Tati lashes Invisalash, literally slept with them and woke up like this. Like, guys, it's such a lifesaver. When you wake up, you literally feel alive. But anyways, off to Primark we go. Just see what there is. I don't know about you guys, but I get really overwhelmed when I come here sometimes. These trousers are nice. This is what I wanted. £3.50. This one you get 2. And it's £3. I'm just gonna get these. I need like long socks, so I'm gonna get this. You got all the colours. I want some flip-flops. Oh, the material of this one feels so comfy. Okay, I'm getting this. £12. Il y avait un Winnie l'ourson que je voulais. The Winnie the Pooh one I want. Where's the Winnie the Pooh? This? I think it might be this. This is Pani Puri, guys. What do they put inside again? Like potato?
Potatoes, chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
Like a mixture.
And then what, tamarind sauce?
Yeah, and chutney.
And chutney. And then what's this again?
That's the, you know, the water.
I don't know what it's made out of, but I just know it's nice.
Yeah.
Because you're supposed to put the whole thing in your mouth.
Yeah, I can never do it. Do you like it?
Oh, so good. I haven't had it in so long. Yeah, sometimes the water is not bad.
It's really bad, yeah.
And it's like a reasonable size, like I can eat it. It's too big, I can't.
And it's not too spicy.
We got dosa. I don't know what the hell you got, but it definitely looks crispier than mine.
Yeah, it's, I don't know why it's different, but it's called rava.
Rava. I got just masala dosa. There's like potato inside. I don't know if you can see. You can't see. And then you get all like the sauces, like chutneys, and then this is my favorite, sambar. Don't laugh at my accent. Even the guys that when I was ordering, it's like looking at me.
Because you got like a...
Yeah, I said, can I have this?
Yeah.
And he was like, you mean pani?
Yeah, I was like, I don't know what it is. And you come here, like, bro.
You whitewashed Indian.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Nails look so good.
Thanks, I did them.
Yeah, I know, I saw it when you done them. Like,
used
with the
to do yours
post.
once.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this fleece. £7, but all the L's are gone. Like, people are so smart. They took all the L's. Oh, the brown one's nice. I feel like this is just like meh. I feel like this is not big enough. Like, look at the arms.
If you're gonna wear it at home, it needs to be baggy.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting this. You know those days when you're working from home? I'm going up. So soft. Girls. Oh, that's such an ugly angle. No, like, smell my hair. Like,
Today
it smells,
it doesn't,
it smells like a wet dog. Doesn't it? It smells like burn. I think my machine,
Yeah, a little bit.
my curler's too strong. Like, it
Mine
literally...
normally does, but today it doesn't.
Yeah.
Because it smells so bad.
Let's go.
How do you stop it? I got like heat protect lines. I got everything.
I don't know how to stop it. I'm thinking maybe I need a new curler.
I feel like my hair is just damaged at this stage. I just need to let it grow and then...
I saw these like good Winnie the Pooh ones. Oh my god, they're stepped up on like undies as well.
That'd be good.
Oh, it looks good. Look at that. I'm tempted. £13. They only have extra large in the trousers. I feel like I can't get it because they don't have my size. Doesn't go.
It doesn't go together.
Nah, it doesn't work, guys.
No.
They didn't have these colours in my Primark, so I got these. Do you wear like trainer socks or long
I
socks?
wear both.
Apparently they say like the trainer socks are for old like millennials.
Really? That's what we are.
And Gen Z wear like the crew socks, like the longer ones. But I kind of prefer like the look of the crew ones now, the longer ones. Especially in winter, yeah. I don't want my ankles. You know, once I wore my ankles out in this weather, never again. These look so big. Just like, they've like upped the game in this Primark. What the hell? Look at the bow. No. Oh. Clips galore. Clips galore. I feel like I need just like some bras that...
Do you wear like strapless wireless bras?
Yeah. I've never had this colour though.
I've had the...
I need a lighter one.
Yeah, the light one.
I mean, it's good that they do that shade.
They do it here.
Oh, that's not me though. This is more me. No, like this would look like my nipple. This is why I don't come shopping a lot. I can never find shit. Like honestly, how is that a B? So we got Popeyes, guys. It's my first time trying them, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. I got mac and cheese. It looks a bit questionable. It's a questionable fries. I got a deluxe spicy chicken sandwich, and these are hubby's wings. And then there are sauces: mango habanero, buffalo, and hot honey. There's something missing. There's something missing, as always. I got a honey biscuit, and that's not come. There's always something that is missing. The fries are meh. I know. That's a creamy mac and cheese.
Now with even bolder crunch for the bold in everyone.
Yeah, that one that's a good thumbs up.
Things people love.
Insignia by
Try the burger.
So classy this. Then I've also been trying to find the evil on them and
The burger is like alright. I give it like a 6-7 out of 10. I like the brioche bun. And chicken's like nice. The flavor's nice, but it's not like the best burger. So yeah. Let's do a little Primark haul. I haven't been to Primark in quite a while, to be honest. No, like I feel like I got some things but not a lot. I don't really need anything, but there was just like, especially like socks and PJs. I think that's what I went in there for. But again, it wasn't anything that like I needed, but I tried my best to show as much as I could whilst I was there in case you guys spotted something that you might like. Like I said, I needed socks. My socks always seem to go missing, and actually these days it's been so cold that like my feet get like honestly like ice. I don't have any fluffy socks. I don't know where they've gone. I've got a couple pair but they've shrunk, so I got some socks. I got their crew socks in different colors. I have a lot of nude cream socks, so these go perfectly with them. Like the brown taupey shades are in at the moment, and then obviously the greys and the whites and the blacks, you can't go wrong with those. And these were, how much were they? £3. These, I cannot wait to wear them. I mean, they're just like, you know, your usual Christmassy socks. I got a red one and a white one. I also saw these sliders. I don't have any cream sliders, so I got these. And I got them in a size 6 and they were £6. I showed you guys this whilst I was in there, but I want to try it. Do you guys try stuff at Primark? I see the queue and I just like, I do a U-turn. I got a double XL and it's perfect for home. Even outside, to be honest, you know, if you're just running errands. It covers the butt. And then with these PJs, what size did I get them? These are in a 12-14. I did want the Winnie the Pooh one. Maybe I'll go in another day because I want more of a long sleeve as well. But not like fluffy. I want this kind of material. I love this jersey. I don't know, maybe, yeah, jersey material. It's so soft and comfy when you sleep. That is my little Primark haul. I didn't get much, but I'm very happy with what I found. I am gonna film, so that's most of my day. Film a lot of content and then just chill, read my book. I'm currently reading the Book of Israel. It's really good. I'm getting to the good bit. Whenever you start a book, you just have to get through the beginning. Once you start getting into a good book, it's the best thing ever. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm really trying to be consistent and like post every week. There probably won't be a vlog next weekend, but I'll have like a makeup video because I haven't been doing as many makeup videos on here, so I'll try to do one. Let me know what makeup looks you want to see, or if you want any like product reviews. And yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys.